What is your opinion on traditional education?
Oof. Okay. Pakuminsa, Joasy-Ann van der Biest. Tagay ko importante, papiano tami na number di ziva, kunos mesta mas humilde e mas kind. Gonna be honest, amin no, haya new plans. However, ora labim, okay, well, let's embrace this. Pero mi pensando tata, oh my God, what am I doing? Is it okay? Are you going to help build a shelter for the homeless? So, me digo niya, okay, but can we build a shelter for the homeless? Si mami, bato kora, Ismael, tabi pa patras di bazar tempo naya, anto, especially yung hende ng akin, ano po drum riba kaya simbaya, mami. Me digo, okay, si Bokami hase say, selo yuda ko po haya okay pa, mami, bye? Edi si, I'm gonna be the daughter of the president. Tung heto sa amin, ay Josie, imagina po pira ministra. Pwede mo ta aiming pa ministra, pero ora yeke punto inang ko ta yeka na maneho, na kami ng struktural, kami delay. Pataon tiki mas deep ting proseso pa kami pa yuda mas hende versus di porta binti mama ko ame ta yuda pa aya. E ora meeting ko hase sa akin.
Yo, what's up?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Guys, welcome back. ABC Island's favorite. I feel like at some point we have to stop doing this intro. Like, I thought about this yesterday. I was like, imagine we just start a show and just start talking. And I wonder if anybody would be like, where the fuck is the intro?
They probably would.
You know what I mean?
It's weird for me even.
I know, but I think at some point we just have to like jump into the show.
Damn.
Like, I'm just curious to know how people will react.
I don't know. We have to you have to plan. You have to let me know in advance, so I just know because it'll fuck me over. Because I'll be watching you like, hello.
Like you missed the line.
You missed the whole thing.
ABC Island's favorite podcast. You already know, a show about with two friends. One is straight. I already messed it up.
Anything and everything.
Anything and everything between two friends. One is straight and the other.
The baddest bitch you'll ever meet in your life, baby. I'm black and gay. Purr.
Okay, just make sure you add the last part.
Of course.
Yeah, I think some people were commenting in the previous episode, like, what are those guys gay Danki? I ain't gay, bro. Like, shit.
You're bisexual. We get it.
What, bro? Really?
I'm sorry.
Same joke from 2022. It's been a while.
It's been the same joke, but it's been a while since I've said it.
That is true. But no, guys, I'm not gay. Just keep that in mind. Just that's a typical cierto rubianang kung ito sa ng barangka. Anto manera. The mentality, you're who you hang around with. So if I hang out with one guy, these guys
they're ridiculous.
Why? He's hanging out with Shark. He's definitely fucking
Guys,
gay.
what's up, lista? I'm Samilta straight.
The fuck was that? Open your airdrop. Guys, welcome back to the show. English or papiamento?
Papiamento.
So? Okay, well. I'm going to first finish this part off in English. Guys, welcome back to the show. We have a nice little guest today. Like we said, this is not a political show, guys. But we do bring on people who are in the politic worlds. It's election right now. And we bring on people who have experience, who has been in the government, in parliament, all that good stuff. And we also bring new faces who have never been in that world. So today is one of those episodes. And we're going to get to know this candidate a little bit closer, find out what she's passionate about, find out what are some problems that she wants to fix. And today we have none other than Joasy van der Biest.
Hello.
Biest.
I feel like I messed it up. Like beats, like nuts beats. You know?
It's not that.
Porta algo novo.
Let's go.
A mí no sa. Joasy, welcome to the show. Dahil po tempo awe.
Danki na boso pa patakinang spannend.
No, we're excited.
But
Excited.
Excited, spannend,
But
excited.
why do you feel like nervous?
Un tiki.
Pag-hindi Shark?
Ahabo? Sure,
Okay.
wow.
Why me? Nah, I'm the easiest person. Like, es un kuhena sa mga hindi ko miedo.
But no filter.
I know,
But that's what makes it even better. That you don't have no guidelines to be like, oh, let me just.
No, but it's
You
kind
can
of like
just be yourself.
Obviously, you can say whatever you want. Just know, we don't disrespect people here unless Shark feels like it. Or
I don't disrespect people. I just say the truth.
I was gonna say unless it's
the truth.
It's the truth. All right. Well, primero que nos conocemos un poquito más, we're gonna do a little bit of an icebreaker, a little bit of little fun. This little segment is brought to you by ProFrame. Got your windows and doors. But trabajando en casa. But in real estate, toch? Okay, we're gonna get to that too. Pero
ProFrame's the one.
But like ProFrame, ¿cómo andan?
Me conoce ProFrame.
Okay.
Sí.
Per.
Si vas a blip with the beer. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of this and that, some fun questions.
Okay. Hindi na rin yung game show.
Yeah, yes.
But também família, fiesta de família, vamos fazer tem snacks. But about dois, but cheese ball, croquette. Qual vai pe?
Cheese balls.
Yeah. Like with nice, like
I
super,
make
like
the
hot.
best cheese balls.
Oh, you make the best cheese
Oh
ball.
my God, I do.
I won't.
Okay.
I would believe you if you brought some here today.
Yeah,
but
we
you-
definitely need some
May
of
tabay
that.
sa paboso.
No, for sure.
For sure.
You're on camera.
Yeah.
May tabay sa paboso, seryo.
No,
We're
100%.
like neighbors over here.
I
no?
know, I
Okay.
know.
Okay, well,
Sam, I think she knows.
I'm just not. People don't. So they know. So
Like,
I mean,
out of everybody, I think she knows.
I see you every day.
in the hall.
Oh God! Oh my goodness!
End of the month.
Favorite musician Awoki right now? Who you're listening to a lot?
Favorite musician, Awoki. Bosa, I'm not an active musician, but I do listen a lot of meditation music.
What is
Okay.
What is meditation? Like I call them spa music.
Basically.
That's what I used to go to sleep like.
To
Oh
like
my God,
instruments and
obsessed. The obsessed ko a rising higher channel no YouTube.
Ano namin ko na siya.
It's amazing. Sa tapapiabo, di pakiko bota militari, besans
No.
aki.
A minha senhora escuta nada.
Very with grace, with gratitude.
yeah. Okay, I'm not
No,
mad at that.
It's.
I
you
think
know,
I need that.
I thought those things didn't work. I thought
They do.
It's so
They
stupid.
do.
It's so dumb. Like you
They
listen
do.
to white noise, whatever. And then one time, like Tori wasn't there, so I was embarrassed to do it. So like, she's in America. Like, let me just try it. And to test myself, on Spotify, you can put a timer for how long you want it to play, and it stops automatically. So I put it for 5 minutes, and no point that I hear it stop. So I fell asleep in 5 minutes. So like, I was tired. Try it again
No.
and again, bro. It fucking works.
It does.
So-
That's why you put white noise for babies.
No.
The brainwaves na metabon, brainwaves is 7 minutos, kuto supposedly traha un tiki din po subconscious. Amazing. Ito momento ko po ta pensan, ito po ne bo meditari ba course ng of manifest ko ng kubukyar, ku 7 minutes so.
No, people need that. I feel
Amazing.
people don't respect it because they don't believe in it. They think like, oh, yeah, you're ditzy or something. But
Sí.
this shit really
It
works.
really does.
It
Okay.
does.
So, awo, si Butukis ung of outro, local artist, Gian of Niro.
Oh, wow, that's messy.
Oh my God. This is not fair.
Well, listen.
Who do you listen to the most?
Okay, bom, si mi meser by Keys, Jayon of Niro, awe to 90s check,
Niro.
Lomi Keys Niro.
Biggie boy,
There's nothing
right?
wrong with that.
Okay.
No
That's your
offense,
era.
baby.
That's your era. It's forever.
Okay. Wendy's or McDonald's?
Wendy's.
Perts.
Every guest has been doing, either you did your research or people have been doing,
No,
you know.
basta McDonald's is not a vegetarian, Wendy's si.
You see? Wendy's got something for everybody.
Clip that Wendy's promo.
Yeah.
Probably use it. Okay, would you rather know how you will die or know when you're gonna die?
Neither.
The fuck? You have to choose
You have
one.
to choose one.
I had to choose one.
You have to choose
Yeah.
one.
Know how or when?
Yeah.
Oh my God. How?
Say it.
Okay.
I don't want to know when. Like you just.
Bro, imagine if it's tomorrow when like you go today, live your best
God.
life. Start crying.
Gusto ko na wo.
What kind of show is this?
I don't want to die.
I thought I was here to have fun. I'd be depressed. Okay. Very quick. Favorite TV show is the last one.
Ooh.
Favorite TV show?
And it can't be anything holistic.
Anything, okay, no holistic. Favorite TV show? Awoki namin ta binging ariba Lost.
Is it
Okay.
Is that
It's like-
the reality TV show?
No,
like everybody
No.
Lost na manera. It's super weird. It gets weirder ku kada season, pero ito super largo.
It's long.
It's long.
It's
Awoki
old.
na
Many
season
seasons?
3. Oh,
Isn't-
ito na 6 of 7?
Oh, damn. I thought Lost was like an old thing.
It's an old thing.
Okay, you
For
see,
some
yeah.
reason, ito ta Lost riba Netflix. Ang mahayele.
I found laws while being lost. on
Lost.
Netflix.
Yeah, I was
On
going for
Netflix.
Lost.
But it's,
Alright.
yeah, it's weird. Pero wala po sa iwahake. Basta weird ko wala po sa
Addictive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have that with Psych right now.
Psych,
Psych,
you are in the end.
Yeah,
Oh,
yo.
shit.
You're not. Then I'm not telling the truth.
Okay,
That show
let's
is
go.
so
Wait.
good.
We gotta come back to this though.
Okay. All right. So that was ProFrame. Icebreaker. We're gonna jump into some questions. Obviamente. No, like,
Yeah, chill. No, we good.
Ito may mga komisasod.
quick, little napkin. Pero basta obviamente basta nobody e mundo de política Puerto Rico. We kind of wanted to bring you on para conocer un tiki of at least. Obviously, you don't have all the political knowledge. Kuporta, manera Evelyn thing, you know. So we kind of want to get to know you a little bit. So for those who do not know you, who's Josie?
Who is Josie? Okay. Para começar, Joasy-Ann van der Biest.
Hey.
Anta queda insistir que me mencionar meu nome completo.
Yes.
Paquico.
Yes, I mean, it's your name.
Sí, sí, sí. Pero as no tempo tu ainda conhecem para Josie, so
Correcto.
para mim ela vira costumbre.
Sí.
Pero com Joasy-Ann van der Biest, well, para começar me mama, que é a coisa mais importante da minha vida. Pero secondly, super creative, entrepreneur, me go-getter. Segundo, me take no for an answer. Pois a pessoa me nome com paipe, toch, e mostra com sipor, entre outro. Pero mais que tudo coisa, me querer na momento como bem Aruba me discover, me mestre um outro level, que me abai Holanda com meta, me não quero bem back, mas bem back toch. Então, a connect back para minha paixão para a comunidade em geral. Which me está sendo por just 2 anos. Se me não has esse, me não está querendo me complete.
Damn.
But over think you just those I Aruba back?
Just 2 anos na Aruba back. Sí.
Ano ba tayo ang primeiro?
Holanda.
Holanda.
Or is it San Domingo?
No, voy a ir para Santa Cruz, pero no, Holanda.
Oh, nice. Kiba has no Holanda?
Mas is social work.
Okay.
Ito sa mga by Amsterdam. Ang teorie mga gewoon leisure, traha.
How big was social work
mundo.
school na Holanda? Like, Kiko no major mas grande ko ba take back from the studio?
E com mais grande, com a take back, losi estudo para bisabo eerlijk, não sabay Holanda, mas umiro mang hammer, a nasce com cerebral palsy. Ela nasce com zuurstoftekort, ze hebben oxígeno no seu cérebro, não passa completo, ora ela nasce com 6, like this small.
Wow.
Twins, é muito morrer não survive.
Oh, shit.
And é muito hammer, sim. However, não são todas sadas, foi 2 anos, ou lá que 2 anos, não sei para ko enota gatia, or to development, nós estamos com outro muito. Você bota começar gatia com tanto luna, bota bira bol com tanto luna, bota cinta. Então, se que a JSA não abay according to. Ante ora mi mama a começa research, ela hibe kinder arts, ante ora na bisa, oh no, it is cerebral palsy. Então, na pero na nobis mi mama nunca tampouco o tempo ela nasce.
Yeah.
Quando nos fora tomar precaution, portar mais trempa. So, nós vai Holanda primordialmente para errar melhor qualidade de vida.
Yeah.
Because, as you know, kinang so full geregeld.
But the area is full geregeld ka? You think Aruba is a little bit more
Bij
advanced?
Rumang Humber, ting 31 aya, yata na Holanda ina dus no.
Yeah.
Ima bing Aruba back, mabay trago fundasyon mi por, by chance. Like letterlijk, minuto di keda, like I was supposed to be flying out di Aruba, e mesmo si mang inang matupong senyora, pati meneer ko mi konose kuta din rolstool, anto yung heno tate pa yude bay bayo. E ma bira mi di, pamit tata hopi normal, ma yude bay bayo. Bay bayo pe, nota bay bayo, USC, bay bayo pe takana ko, e pes bakias naki. Que me matraha ko persona com limitação na Holanda, so tá normal.
Yeah.
Antes a senhora que pensa que me oh, não há esse fees. Me digo, no, I mean, me ruang hamber, e ma conteúdo que de backstory, e que men, oh, me tem stichting, nós estamos buscando gente para trape stichting. So, ma betrape stichting.
Oh, stop.
So, imbes back Holanda, but you see what's up, I'm gonna stay here.
Sim, it was a bigger cost. So, mabay Holanda back, paso intention ta pembe outro caminho. Anto ora ma haya chance que na kung mabay conversar com nang, na contami quanto cliente nan ting, anto God, mabay studio pa so mi kier yuda mucho nam de
This is what you wanted to do. Yeah.
Because hope here in Aruba, I think like a passion, like has agacina. Was that like when they from my mother, what the fees? Like the kid hope here like, I'm saying it as a good thing, you know, like not everybody has the passion that you have. That's what I'm trying to say.
Which is something that I feel like also needs to change. I feel like there needs to be more ingericht on like verzorg for in schools itself. Like because it's a big thing, and because of like the lack of baby making and all this good stuff is why we also will see like a big decrease in whenever it's time to make make money for different things, or even who's gonna work in zorg when we're old, you know. So
that would suck. We had a conversation with someone else that gave us an information about the how many babies are being born compared to like a few years ago. It was 1,000 babies a year. Right now it's like a 700,
six something,
almost 700. So it dropped like 300 babies. So if this keeps dropping, like Shark said, when we're old, like fuck, there better be some sort of machine that like some Tesla thing that just move me around.
I don't know, but
of make sure que educar boso yun ang suficientemente bom para não take care boso.
we don't want you.
That's
the problem. We don't want you.
We're the problem right now.
Okay,
Cost of living is too expensive.
Yes. Cost of living, like you said, cost of living is too expensive right now.
Sim, me queria prometer que buhay yung yubo to pense 2 biyaha, no?
Claro.
4 sing viaja.
Turhen ang ideal to outro caminho, paso I'm gonna be honest, no haya mi you plant. However, ora labi, mi okay, well, let's embrace this. Pero mi insano tata, oh my God,
What am I gonna
Hindi ko travel.
Yeah.
Mas bata pense ko,
Of
no,
course.
vorrei te guardo per kort un tiki.
You can't be selfish
tiki.
Un tiki
anymore.
hopi.
Forever.
All. Like, for
Basta.
real, ora bobira mama of tata, monta by Zara mesmo lihemas.
Of course.
Monta hasi
Priorities
compulsive
change.
shopping. Monta hasi compulsive shopping, pero pe.
I'm like, oh fuck, here you go. I really wanted
Okay,
that, but you can
off
have it.
abo, okay, Ziva. Abo mo di kaya shimi kita
Of
mag-cute
course. Of course.
Pero ito ang responsibilidad hopi grande, anto, mita quiere ta bom e malo por ta correta consciente about it. So tati temporada kuno sa ting hopi mucha e kuno ta ting responsabilidad mesmo grande panang. E correta lo que ta hiba nos ta quando sinos ta op gegeven moment ku wat começa get worried who's going to take ownership di pida barangka aqui.
But I guess a ratio the poor and rich people that there was middle class, and middle class could afford it.
Back then.
A Wookiee, there is no middle class
No,
mass.
the
It's either you make
people
money or you
don't.
don't. Like you got the money or you broke as shit.
Sí.
Like there is not really a middle class mass. It's getting eliminated. Tiki
Sí.
tiki. So that's the reason the money. Rich people either they already got the kids, and poor people the money.
Damn,
Bring
I
a
can't
kid,
afford
bring
it.
a kid for where? Like
Yeah.
to do what?
That's
To
okay.
suffer?
That's me
Pero
behind
basta-
you, bro. What economy are you living in? Because I
Like-
ain't getting no kid right now.
Pero basta ko ami conhecer chumuhen ang young, den na 25, 30 anya, kung natin dos yu, inanta pense dos bias nang kahayong mas.
Me tá contento pa nang. I love kung having
Mi
kids.
pregunta like,
Sí.
¿Quién mi familia está?
Yeah, who funding this?
How much money does your
Who's
family
your
have?
baby daddy? Like,
I mean, are you a Wookiee? You know who's paying? Me. Not my dad, not my mom, nobody. Me. It's expensive.
yeah.
All right, so I want to know also, Kiko, I know you're in the whole holistic world. You're in arts, real estate. What else? Like, tell me exactly. I mean, I kind of just mentioned it already. Pero, Kiko, tu butahas in Aruba.
Okay.
Mi
main thing, tatraha pa fundasyon.
Okay.
Traha pa fundasyon, dori traha ko fundasyon mi por de caso aqui, mi afunda junto com mi irmão mo fundação crescendo. Tabe, ita fundação que ajuda muito nang vulnerável com creative terapeutische programas. Dus art classes. Creative terapia consiste de 5 elementos, right? Pinta, actua, teatro, música, anto gardening. Yes, so gardening ta
love
super
that.
bom. Anto, nos afunde, pasador, yung kumita traha ka muito nang limitasyon, hinan ng baryo ta wak, mita bay, binding auto, ta yuda mayor na hiba na yu doctor, na ako misa reach out, bosa, miti yung familya kinang, casa kima, meste panya, miti yung familya kinang, and for real, si bosa kera wak, mi denki toy kora, tempo, na ta kore, kumi auto sempre, yenadi ko yung huso, ta buska hubo, ik heb scheid aan, mita bay, chillaruba niya kaso ki, mita hasi yung shout out, mita buscando panya pa tal familya. Pa tanto mucha. And I used to go just busca nang anto mi auto tatakore. Yendi was great,
Damn.
fabuloso pa yuda otro hende.
That's awesome.
So that would be my first thing ko sempre lo mi parape. Secondly, mitong kreativo, I love creating no arte, pero inventacos pa hasi. Ide caso inanang mitato yung art gallery. Nos crea junto com coletivo de artistas, nos crea também, entre outros, art boulevard com conceito full diferente, anti-crack, tiki orange economy. E bana de sei, obviamente, para me survive, me um café com tadrai super leuk na biblioteca, so education, that fit
course.
tiki com me element, com me personality. Anto ja real estate, what helps make everything happen.
That's for sure.
I
I'm
didn't
not
know,
mad at
we
that.
that's how they party foundation. I didn't know.
That's
you did
great.
that.
I love that.
Yeah. I mean, but you don't get to see many people do things like this, because unfortunately, hope in India, the extremely selfish. Like everybody thinks about themselves, but it's also the world we live in right now. It's like it's hard to get by. So, how can I help you if I can even help myself?
An
What's
empty
up?
plate cannot feed hungry people.
And the
Exactly.
thing is also with a lot of people that are in the industry, in that industry that actually do help out is most of it is not for social media, so they don't post about it.
See,
So there's a lot of people that work
say.
behind the scenes. They do a lot. There's a lot of different people that really do be helping out, hands for addicts and all this one. But they don't really post. They're not like social media person. Like, okay, look, we help these people.
Yeah.
Like,
And the moment you do post, like, it's like that place to post. Okay,
Pero bosa ita a very thin line ko po cross, no? So
You're respecting the people's privacy.
Entre otro, meron nos bags for school, ta entregar tas na school nang, pero nunca mita
É mucho lang.
é mucho nang. Pakiko pa sobra, ni mucho nang eigenlijk met bisa ora mi entregata simbianta lagong pari mucho biyo no. Sabi sa, oh my God, your vrouw di kwentasan kita. Bisan po so your vrouw abisa nos, your vrouw na abisa nos ko boso, tem mucho nang di mas powerful na skolki. O tapos nang di menos recurso. Nobody needs to know. Anang tampoco na may sasapo. So itong emosyong, kung may bisabo, hopi fuerte
You
kung
feel
mucha
it,
carga,
see.
no?
Yeah, and they carried for. I was
Anda
thinking about
karga pa
this.
semper. Ito hungo ko ba autoestima like forever.
It's crazy
100%.
because like I was just thinking about this yesterday. I was thinking about a specific thing that happened to me when I was like around between 8 or 10 years old. Like till this day is like, fuck me, porque esto te pasa. Like you know, like me no recuerdo exactamente. And I'm not gonna say what it is, pero me did just going back to what you said, like, cool, fuck things that happened to you when you're a kid stays
They
with you
affect
even
you,
at
of
the age of 30.
course.
So like
See?
almost 30 years later, I can still recall what pasa con me. Damn.
That's what those
Sí.
are.
Sí,
and,
sí, sí.
and I remember, the thing is, it's not only the kid that it happens to, because I also do remember being in class with the kid that they bring sandwiches for, or the
Yeah.
kid that, so you see, we all know as kids that, okay, this is this is like the poor one, or this is the one that, you know.
Yeah, and they start bullying you and shit.
And of course, and then you see that happening. So I feel like if, in this sense, it's given maybe secretly to the parent, then the parent can be like, hey, look what I actually got for you, something.
Yeah.
It's more like, oh wow, my mom got me this cool new thing.
Yeah.
You're
But
not ripping that kid away from a certain
Correct.
element.
No,
that,
Correct.
no.
Sí,
And it's amazing, you know. So, ayan akinana manera pa bags for school. Mitas na taon sa sabra kinang imahaya mama adrenta kung storya basta heftig. Twee young, 25 anos, 12 anos. Tá contando-me, acho que tá contando-me sua situação. Me tô acho yung home, mas ora botei um tristeza, então
Yeah.
botei que llora para botar um tema que botar fuerte, não? Então não mais llora, então emoção me tá papi, que maior, então emoção tá guli, la grava tá suo, like to take away emoção, não?
Yeah.
Anyways, nós saímos parte da conversação, então mama bisami algo, he spasmed. Ela começa a llorar de dolor, para sua curva, ela kaya spasmo. So ela cabe train and whatnot, então ora me tá wa coisa, então como me tá traga com muito para no aya. E mas estudia holistic life coaching, me saco for a fact, hende tá a sua emoção como que ela wante llorar que assim na hopi, e não tem outro
He didn't release
sua
it.
curva a release de outra maneira. So você sabe, yuda é maior, me di okay, me di pedi friends andi me, can't hand me downs and whatnot. Então me topi com minha mama na hulanda que men, no Joe, no ba hibun saco de sushi pe mucho companhia. E botei um kibre su coração, mas me okay que comida bem hasi. Mama que men just pedi corre para Facebook, a quanto que botar hasi portar para abrir thrift shop. Okay. Na me wa comida põe aqui junto, right? I kid you not, within a week, galeria toda llena com panha. Hende começa a trazer panha, hende grande, panha mucha. So me tem a thrift shop abrir in summer. Me digo okay, trabalhamos the treasure boutique, shopping free para tur mucha. So emocionante worden uitgenodigd para being and to shop. Oh my God.
They're like in their best fashion sense.
Or nos letterlijk ding store, então nós que começa coi turcos.
It's like, ooh, this is cute. Ooh,
Então
this one fit.
imaginava se eu coi turcos para supor budget.
Yeah.
Hey, oh, it's amazing. Então in the midst of things, quando tá coi ko, ai, sa kita sirbi papa. E opa. Ibu hibi sa kita papa, então tá coi panha pa opa.
Oh, they're so selfless.
Amazing. So, sim, me da querer maneira da bisa, no? Se nós por hacer de uma outra maneira mais humble, cinco é mestre bira apios cake, da minha bisa sempre. Mas ako po track pa na wami, abo ko po sa ako, saka po track. Ay, ami nunca ahasi say. Então, hope partners da bisa amin, Josie, you should be more on social media.
That's not the
It's a
way.
very thin line.
Ito por backfire time, and it was a handbook we said like, okay, what do you post ko Danki? Like it happened with like Zion, parti ko sa.
Yeah.
Over like Wendy, sumi algo pa.
Yeah.
Hindi ba kaya?
He got the whole backlash and all that.
Hindi kinala. Então hende como se no reclamei like, paki ko what do you post ko Danki? Mas post ko like.
Pero de caso, não tem opção, no? Tampouco você tem partner, pero também é showing outra parte de humanidade.
But ito just mostrando man I'm doing something good, like hopefully
Sí,
me
sí,
motiva
sí.
outra
It's for the motivational part of it.
Sí.
Like, okay, you see me do it, you should just do it on your own.
Everybody's like, oh, let's talk negative. I'm like,
Yeah, that's just
fuck
the
me.
world.
Esse aí nós temos um caminho tiki.
For
Nós temos
sure.
focus mais
That's
riba
what we're
positivo e menos riba negativo of a backlash e outro gente.
I agree.
Ako badrenta mundo di politica.
Let's talk about it.
It's not fun. It could be, pero it thinks su na day lang.
Oh yeah.
Hindi ba kung sa boso po pasado, pa sa lastra po nombre de influence. todo el mundo como está on the sidelines, like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Sí.
Pero mi pregunta para botar, para Kiko pode join el mundo de política?
Pa Kiko mi a-join, pa so mi asinte ko mi no período mas de maneira aqui. Para honesto, que eigenlijk, sempre eu tinha aspiração para dia subir lista político. E me pensa, me também,
Really?
me tinha aspiração aí, pero no, like, oh.
Not right now.
No, as nalihe. Pero, enfim, ora na nga acercar-me, ora Miguel acercar-me para Accion, me di prometo, okay, wara. Okay, great, I'm very flattered. Anto, mabay back, me di no, sila bang bay bang coffee trope, bang dialog, basta, we had a conversation, mi tata conversation kung mi mesta mi hopi, and fang, mi tata going for a run, mainta, anto mahaya yamada di mama kung mita yuda, and she was in tears. Tata llorando, passou se situatie ta hopi precario, eta haya bare minimum di bijstand, di bare minimum e tingo cria 2 u, isu mes, ipaga kuryente, paga awa, and pone gasoline, and whatnot, di inkopen, mara boso sata, ridículo. De caso kinana, anto ora la yama, mi di okay, goed, mi sako for a fact, mi no por yude. So mabusca informação, mi tame, haya mi frustra ko, e porta nan sera. Anto ori, maya kas, okay, nami bespreek sa kumiyu, sa lapidi mi traha menos. Di ko mami, ko mas na gas.
In fact, it's aware to say, y como isa, imang.
No, lapidi mi traha menos, so I'm more, mi traha fikas mi dia, so mabay mi disiva, we have to have this conversation. So, me papiando com ele, me disse, sa kakabi pasan, to mami so amigo na nga, puntra mami pasi sa aqui. E di, okay, are you going to become a minister? Me di ko
like, what?
Me di ko wara, not yet, pero si bom se pensa si eleksyon, eta bahibabo na essay, pero pata kora ilugar ko no sabay edia ko bakanta ko prensa Somalia, hedi ang parlamento, por lahita itong opsyon. E di, pero why are you going to do this? Me di, okay, esa que pasa que mucho morrer com mami te ajuda, você com mami te hace fundação, você aqui com mami que hace período muito na maneira tio chuchu. E di, okay, are you going to help build a shelter for the homeless? Me di, do you want me to build a shelter for the homeless?
So how old is your daughter?
She's 10.
Damn.
Yeah, but she's amazing. Like, pre-teening. Amazing. So, me digo, okay, but can we build a shelter for the home? Me si mami, but agora, Ismael tabi pa patras di bazar tempo na ya, anto, nos pensa yuda hende ng akin, ano po drumiri ba kaya simbaya, mami? Me digo, okay, si bo kami hase say, selo yuda ko po haya okay pa mami bay? E di si, I'm gonna be the daughter of the president. Me di, okay.
She's like living for the status.
Like full.
That's what it's gonna be.
Ante ore maya mi di Miguel, I'm just gonna do it. I mean, not nunca the right moment pa hasier, right? No. Anto bota overweeg diferente cosas. Okay, bom, bosa kung politika ta positivo, pero hoy, hope kritika. Anto como te by ko say, anto, you know what? I know what I'm doing it for. So misa ko mita haciendo e pa mi yuda mi comunidad un tiki mas mi ho. Paso mita quiere como fundación, hasta llega a un cierto plateau, no? Kinang bo po yuda. Pero ora llegue punto inang ko te llega na manejo, na cambio na estrutural, cambio de lei, para um tiki mais deep din o processo para cambio para ajudar mais gente versus di porta binti mama ko ame te ajuda pa aya. E ora meeting ko hase sa akin.
So let's talk a little bit about the social issues and for instance, the homeless. We know Kiko's current situation that in the moment, Kiko tama ni bo planes or bo partido su planes pa ayuda ku esaki.
Well, me quero hopi importante, verdade, para começar, Joasy-Ann van der Biest, quero hopi importante para piano também a número de ziva, que nós está mais humilde e mais kind. Se que menos comunidade, me está tiki mais resilient e compreender a situação tiki mais melhor. So, a mim tá tem mi lugar den center of, uma tour, hebben en houden dat tu lugar. E para honesto, tiki kindness goes a long way. So, bobo pasa bandi nang bisa bom dia, of no bisa bom dia, pero e bom dia it means gold to a human being, right?
Because they feel like they've seen, you know, oh shit, you know.
They acknowledge me.
Sí, sí. Dus, meta que é importante para nós reeducar nos comunidade, riba nos norma e valor nang ko ahasi nos arubianismo, ko nos ancra nos mes hobi na ta. Esse é onde eu prometo nang ko amelo bogape entre outro, e meta que é verdade. Mita bem de caminho que mita encontrar hope persona que tá biba den addiction, right? Você tem muito nang que tá bem de elders, of muito nang que bem de line off, e mi mesmo bisa hope honesto, mi tata também a struggle não tem com addiction, ela vai su rehab, ela queda tranca or la llega a halfway house, e begeleiding ta acaba inang. Dus mita kere mi home maneira que nós por melhorar problema social ta dor tem um plan, botei um projeto. Bota executar projeto, projeto acaba ayo. Het eigenlijk botei um plan, botei um projeto, bo execute e botei nazorg. E nazorg ta onda comita kere nós, ta vitra junti mas hopi na jele.
Okay, so what are your plans for inazorg aki to make sure it happens? Yet feasible to last tambe, quitting longevity.
E longevity mita kere pa tour trajecto de manejo para cambiar estrutura, tá? Que bota bem com plano e bota ancre tiki den lei. Você ora bono pomishi com mas, right? Você não sabe acaba com tem política, cada 4 anos tem outro costa bem, então ok, shark, vou começar leuk shark, gezellig, do outra samil subert. Então a intenção tá com nós tour nós mese por hasi algo tá a largo prazo, com algo 4M hopi na Accion 21 tambe, com turcos com Miguel a campanha com ne, a missão também se tu rende, ok, bota campanha, the promise is den gobyerno of pa foi gobyerno. Make it happen. Então, mita quer algo que atreme também na Accion 21 ku turcos ku a decidir pa hasi, a wardo hasi. E den processo aqui nang pami, kita algo ta pas completamente com mi característica e com mi personality di ku se tá algo vai trabalhar riba jeta vai trabalhar riba na zorg. E pa anos caba, bosa mita quer que pa anos caba mita trabalhar den zorg. Então, eu sempre me bisa, ok, bom, nos falta na zorg em diferentes sectores de zorg.
And I break that down. Kiko ta inazorg. Like,
Okay.
so what is the actual plan?
Na
exactly?
zorg. Para começar, porque especificamente riba persona que está homeless ou porque em geral.
Yeah, let's do the homeless. I feel like
Okay.
that's a big issue.
A mim tá querer homeless mister de hopi ajuda, hopi coaching, passou hende não tá vira adicto, passou, ai, na me decidi de vira adicto, maneira que não se decidi para vira
Yeah.
creators or creatives. De caso que hende que tá homeless, que acai tem problema de adicção, é tem trauma. Então, é hopi importante que nós por ajuda não passar de trauma é ilo que nós mira hopi tá we laten hun aan het lot over. Nós laga nang na destino, Papa Joe's hasi lo que tem ku hasi. Pero en princípio não mister ajuda, e ajuda tabire ore ko na mister nang zorg, nang coaching, nang social work, nang psychiater, pero nang come over die trauma inana. E dat uma hoop na motivação, en nazorg met se bem também als intermediário entre família e persona. Dus en oporta ku nós tabay laga e nang over ba for real, botawak enkel família trese comida pa nang. Ta hene ko ta
You barely see family members like,
no,
oh,
paso
bring food for them.
vergüenza toch? Pa família é vergüenza que boti hende de família que
As
tem.
in, as in the scene, you know, like, as in,
Sí, pero nós aqui tá human.
I know.
Você aqui tá fazendo diferença, família vai visitar, não tem miho, não tem mais calor que esse.
But I feel like from also seeing it from a close perspective, mi not akira ita per se kubuta hindi vergüenza, it have kind of, I guess, if a mieta take on mas un rol di mane ba kind of kiss bu destino, you chose this life, nasa purba di sa
Correcto.
cabo feije, bono kier, this is the life you want. Amit ko si ko di mi pasabra.
It's only so much you can do.
There's only so much you can do.
There's only so much you can do inderdaad, no? Pero mita hombi sabo from another perspective, kung mita kira ko to hobi importante pa nos por dunanang egiya ko ng mister pa sa kanang for di unanang tabo sa. Ting hobi hende ko ta derecha, no? Ting hobi hende ko ta derecha pa so mi conoceu mucho mujer simple coffee tur dia. Tur dia cup of coffee. Mita tem team, cada tem cup of coffee pa mucho mujer kinana. Anyways, esse hambre mucho mujer desaparecer, no sura panic. Oh my god, cara, algo passé. Então tu tem medo de mucho mujer kinana, porque tata tem psicoso, no? Enfim, mita para na gas station na paradeira, é muito morrer que não abing comida, me vira waka, me diz, oh my god, quem é essa aqui tá? Começa a botar espanta, não, rete bate na ventana. Então ela observa isso nome, e oh my god.
we've been looking for you.
Oh my god. But oh my god, basta orang hina glow. Ela veía num tiki. Oh my god. Então,
Wait, but ela desaparece por rato?
ela desapareceu por bom rato.
Because I'm like, when you said
ela
you make
vai-
geek, like, wait, like,
no,
she
like
gained weight in the time,
she
like,
had an awakening.
Of
Então,
course.
de repente, ela decidiu de amar sua família bem buscar. Então, ele veio um rehab.
damn.
But, sua mama tá passa tudo já domingo, heilig. So, já domingo tá de hasi limpi, já domingo tá passa sua mama, tá passa com seu auto, tá para um rato, conversar. Então, esse me tá querer,
Ayudei.
e não sentir isso tampouco, não? Me tá querer ter algum ponto que eu dizer, hey, I cannot do, there's not much more a mim por hasi. Me tá querer se nós por puxa tiki para nós por tá mais solidário e hasi ajuda mais acessível também. Tá uma maneira para vir com solução para me tá querer, em verdade, para mim honrar a sua petição e minha maneira para estar bera para bem com o sistema que eu por tim bera tipo de shelter, que tem coaching on site, que tem social werkster que yuda e hende.
No, right. Take showers, have a good night's sleep. Super kai back.
Manena Holanda, no? Holanda bota pagar €1.
No, Aruba não tem
No.
I have no idea.
No.
Essa tem warehouse na convertido em like bunk beds.
Mas espera que tem social worker van fundação entendendo que deve dizer, hey, this is a good thing. Let's
I
do
hope
it.
so.
Yeah.
Because
Pero like, yeah, go ahead.
No, I was gonna say, so uma maneira para kind of like get them off the streets. Like, oh, yeah, well, you're still ended up on the during the day or on the streets, but at nighttime, at least you have a place to stay, asleep, and then hopefully someday, like, you know, I'm gonna look for a job. I already have a place to sleep for now, and then get a job spot, get myself, you know,
I
on
can
my
shower, I can do all of this.
Sa.
Se você agora não, se você tem circuito, se você tem network agora que nanang com exemplo, right? Se nós somos 3 friends, então o único que nós está tá I don't know, não tá traha, abo que traha. O que te passa comigo? A mim tampouco não vai traha, porque nós somos click, tá? Se nós está feito mais com outro, mas se nós tour por injectar outro com tique de motivação e inspiração, costa vai estar roupa mais fácil. Imaginava também se abo não viste bom, mas sentir bom. Então, gente que não shower, tampouco não vai sentir bom. Então, dia tras dia, minhas coisas, sua autoestima também está baixa.
But then the thing is, I feel like this is like the before zorg, pero the nazorg ta unang bes nambay back kas.
Na mesa,
So
kita by coaching.
you go to this and then you have to go back home.
Bom mesa,
Home
kita
to
by
where the kind of the problem
Yeah.
is kung even kumisa
Yeah.
using or abusing of the situation. So how do you who's gonna fund psycholog and all of this? Like where is that funding coming from?
Well, depende de que instância para com ele. Maybe se você vai, se você
That's
tem
on you.
No. Me se você tem governo em verdade, right? Se nós por barra entre outro candidato e ministro que nós tem para 5 e bota spar tanto milhão para Aruba, right? Bota alocar e fundo nem também em diferentes pockets. Então, quando eu tenho tique mais placa para o social sector, você está caindo de social sector, está caindo de mental health, está caindo de entre outros por asset fee. Botem maneira, botem que vai uma cubo budget um tique mais miho para pôr para caso aqui safe placa de outra parte e por bahinka um tique mais allocate na caminho que me está. So at the end of this bom, den tour, eu quero mundialmente o social sector é com menos da raia. E o social sector é com mais mister DJ.
No. Pero you're saying in vez de nos ting like all the
Siete.
gobiernos que nos ting, you want to cut it down? Y por cada gobierno te vai maybe like 3 ministries?
No,
Por kay body nang or like how?
No, de caso aqui não para Accion 21, nós lo de caso aqui não vai de 7 para 5.
Okay.
Então, não acaba por também, was em certo ministério não está feito com outro. Dus, bueno, vai ter ministério de transporte e agricultura junto não doso. Bota mixam junto, tá? Exemplo, se a meta para bem-estar humano, tem sempre a human approach, a human sector, right? Bota vai combinar social zaken, educatie, fantástico. Social zaken com educatie is the best friends. Cultura com social educatie is the best friends. So, bota alocar, bota coi sector que tem relação com outro, anang bota pode trabalhar junto, tá carteira.
I don't know.
O
I don't know
imaginaba-
how much that's gonna work though. But I mean, as is, pari nang ting dos cartera and y'all don't do shit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like,
pero
they have time to focus enough on one. I mean, these are also people.
Pero quando isso não culpa bota mais exitoso sempre. Quando isso não culpa waku sempre, isso não culpa brilha.
Turismo for sure, pero
Does that-
It's the
turismo
easiest one.
don't need people. Like I keep saying this,
It's the
turismo
easiest one.
it's
But that's where all the focus goes to, mas tanto.
So-
Você quer me que das hope you focus também tiki mas na essay entre outro, então você quer que se nós por na social, e educação e cultura, tiki real se tem caso aqui nanang, e combinação e nanang tá powerful. Paso nós no this conversation requires creativity. Isso que também added mas lat, mas tá hope criativo para fazer
Damn right.
algo super zuiver. That's that. And die onda e criatividade também de educatie.
Coffee, Monster energy drink,
Não sei não sabe.
Coca-Cola. That's where it comes from.
that's not you.
Speaking of, keep talking.
His voice so stupid. No, pero I get that part. Pero funding wise, tambe is where pami it's really big on, especially when it comes to tipo de cartera nangki. I feel like everybody needs to stop the tra apart and they all need to come together. Pasobra, mi por
Exactly.
assign you cierta cartera nang, pero I can also say, hey, what if nos actually sinta junto pasobra paami pa solution na to mi problema na.
May
I need
mesetibo.
you, and you, so we can all come. Okay, let's put money together and let's fund this project. Let's take un ticket di nos tour sa cartera, bang fund this project. Let's take un ticket di tour sa cartera, let's fund this little project. I think that is a reasonable solution to happen.
That's where ego and personal agenda comes in. No, I mean, the basic, bro, like, I need you to help me out
Ego
here.
and personal agenda are the worst. Junto. Nang-combined
100%.
junto ta
It's like,
dramático.
trabalhar bem-estar de Aruba, but at the same time, botamos que please whoever sponsor your campaign, and botamos que please your own personal gain. Like, me, si sa aqui.
Yeah.
What the fuck, what
Pero
you did?
sempre bota bay bria que pluma é. However, lo que não me se lubidata di una bota bem anto pa kiko bo atrenta política pa começar.
Yeah.
A mim sempre tu pensa, okay, imita bisa tu gente, imita ai Josie, imaginava vira ministra. Pedi mi ta aiming pa ministra. Pa ame o que tá aiming parlamento, paso ko edembo por hasi hopi. Bosando, seta lo que a mim ta kira ta eko ku master drive me, paso miting mi lista di costan ku mita deseja pa mira cambio denje, and I know ku si parlamento ta e prome caminda, e prome organ ku bo hasi cambio ta enabo mesita.
That's facts, though. You get a lot done
I
from...
want to jump in a segment. If you
Oh,
guys
sorry,
don't
go crazy.
mind. I want to jump in AHATA segment. It's a multiple choice.
A multiple choice, interessante.
So, yeah.
Tem prêmio?
It's un can of Monster Energy.
Oh my God.
Keeps your day going.
Oh,
And the people don't judge you.
100%.
seria te hope interessante.
So, nós temos 3 perguntas aqui, né? Basically, multiple choice. If you're good at guessing, today's your day to shine.
Oh my God.
So, as you know, over-tourism is a worldwide topic that Aruba is not immune.
Não saía de enlace, dia. Ai, te quiere.
So, over-tourism is a problem that nobody's immune to, right? So, from the perspective of your political party, what is Aruba's strategy for mitigating over-tourism and promoting regenerative tourism? Keep laughing. In 2025, according to the Aruba Tourism Authority? Is it A, increasing guest arrivals by 20%? Is it B, attracting high-value guests who align with responsible tourism principle? C, focusing solely on luxury tourism? Or is it B,
D.
D, encouraging mass tourism to boost economic growth?
B.
I don't know because I just said it. I'm like, shit.
No.
But you're right.
No.
B is correct.
We were at the conference.
B is correct.
We heard all about it in the conference.
Her, she paid attention. She was at the full conference. That show.
Yeah.
Are we talking about creativo?
Yes, I was taking notes.
Activo.
Creativo.
Activo.
Bro.
I didn't go the first day. Anyways, sure. Take a second.
Okay, wait.
Yes or no? It's a yes or no.
Okay.
So
Say the quién de?
this is also from AHATA.
AHATA?
3
Okay.
questions.
Yes. So according to your knowledge, is the Aruba Tourism Authority investing in protecting nature and the environment projects through partnership agreements? Yes or no?
Yes.
All right. The answer is correct. Yes.
Ding, ding, ding.
It's kind of like 50,
Do you know which
50.
foundation?
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry?
Do you know which foundation?
Which foundation? Parque Aricog?
Well, it used to be.
Yeah, there used to be that
yeah,
one.
yeah,
So
yeah. So they
okay,
changed
you got it right.
I don't know the new name.
Yeah. Okay.
Parque
But
Aricog.
it's still
Parque
tomato.
Aruba Conservation Foundation.
Okay. Yeah.
Aruba
Yeah.
Conservation Foundation.
All right. So next one, last one. AHATA is currently Move this. AHATA is currently shifting its focus to the type
I was
of
gonna do it.
what?
I knew we were gonna do it.
I'm just happy with this. I'm like, hey,
See what I mean?
All right, so AHATA is currently shifting its focus to the types of guests it attracts. What is a key benefit of this shift for the local community? Is it A, decreased job opportunities in tourism? B, improved quality of life through sustainable practices? C, higher property taxes for residents? D, community input is not considered in tourism planning.
And Mr. B.
It is.
Yeah.
Damn,
no,
three-
no, the otro
That makes sense. I'm like,
AHATA.
higher property tax for residents. Bro, I'm moving somewhere else if that happens.
I thought you better not.
All right, good job. You got all 3 answers
Nos
correct.
abay, conferencia.
Exactly.
Ama
Guys, go to the
Don't test
conferences.
I took notes.
There
It's like
you
don't
go.
test me.
So, I mean, I do have, we're going to go back
Yay,
into the
because I
question. We are gonna go back into the questions. I mean, I have a few here that you already answered. Basically, like you've already mentioned some of the problems in society and you know how you want to fix them.
Oh, meti yung lista ko pilar, may este mako 45 minutos.
Oh, very true. I will. What is your opinion on? Because I know you're in education. You know, you have your specific view on
Oh
education.
my God, pinobis to say, mita yung first school tambe. I forgot.
Let's need to get a lot of hats.
She's like, here you go.
So, what is your opinion on traditional education?
Oof. Okay.
Hopefully, I'm not gonna get you fired.
No, at all.
And what is traditional?
What is your opinion on traditional?
Traditional education, eu tinha problema com traditional education e não tá fit tur mucha.
True
Facts.
facts.
Kung nasutin diferente sa sapato, pa mucha e não tá fit. Não quer hende mira ami, a fit sumta din ayan na 90, pero si mi anase porta awo, lo e não fit kumi, paso mi un tiki extra. Ade. Pero, en verdad, traditional education ta é sistema que nós tínhamos na escola. Bota para a escola, bota senta em classe, tá se banque, tem um grupo de 28 para 30 mucha, e boia frau tá do nabolas. Tem caso de non-traditional education, amito mama tem yung muhe kuno ta by traditional education, paso e não paspe.
So, que school were you ba yun?
Ziva ta by Edu Campus.
What's that?
Edu Campus ta school com sistema tiki mas americano. Manigo ziva ta bisa, anto de caso aqui na ng Eta sim, oh my God, eta sim a matéria não a mim nunca haya na school. It's amazing. Tu kota ba tiki mas tu lasta via computer, na tem platform and they follow science, history, math, language arts via a platform. Inanting extracurriculars tam, bito santa si PE, kuta physical education, nanta si clay, siya stitching, anting junior council, di school kutin sumes council kumu anting input di ko nang kiawak school. It's amazing. I love it. Mi awak mi yung muhe ding derde, nota ta por a compreender a matéria me bom, paso dorco, um tiki extra hyper maneira sumama, pe hasi studio fei book, fei schrift, nota biba.
Yeah, I'm the same way.
E nota ta biba pe. No, e nota ta biba, dus tata pa mi por hasi aardrijkskunde kune, e tata tumami 4 horas e art project. Sige men mapa pedi artbol. Man traje artbol. You know how much time that takes?
Yeah.
Sige men eta requeri hope di tanto mucho como mayor, right? Den caso de traditional, mi awake bloom. Paso ita compreender so, paso ita tiki mas tech, right? In New Jan, tu kota technology, ipe lesa, lesan tabini ku texto e video. And it's very fun.
Yeah.
And to that, hito lo kita biba pe.
And you remember it better.
Exactly. Because I know like there's some students at Xavier University, their classes, some of them it's like
Super
a
innovative.
storytelling.
Yeah.
So today we have Jack, and Jack did this, and I'm like, what the, is this how
Yeah.
you learn?
Yeah.
I'm like, where was this in Montplaisir College?
We needed this.
Oh my God.
Pa mi nota contra traditional education, no? Pa,
Yeah,
yung
of course,
don't
but
take me wrong, paso mi
it's-
mesa tu na last tame na school, pero no school tame, tin trucos online pe mucho nang.
Portanto, como de brengen voor de educatie.
Sí.
As in,
Yeah.
it's como de like, at een bartje, dus tu põe natin show. I'm like, yeah, but that's not how I learn.
Sí, pero
Like,
imaginaba un maestro ta overwork, no? Un maestro de un clase 28.
That's a lot.
It's a lot. Mi sa doon na art class ko just 5 mucha kava, mi ta sali manera. Paso eta hope, paso kara no ta tu mucha ta ribe mes ribe mes niveau, pero no ta tu mucha ti mes attention span. Sabi abo tu may sure ko, tu mucha ta paying attention and you're going like this in class. Pa un maestro so of un docente so para din class henter di, it's a lot.
But I saw this school Felipe Bay Trump. They became the first school on the island to actually create like a steam room for the kids where they can do like a bunch of different educational stuff. I saw even there's like a corner they can do like podcasting and
no way.
it's
Yeah.
crazy.
This is a new school where I saw like you, I think Evelina.
Yes.
A bunch of people were there.
And all of that is what the kids do now. And it's, the teacher said you see the
21st century
difference.
skills.
It is.
21st century skills. Kaya nos por hinka tiki di 21st century skill, tiki mas kreatividad ding nos traditional school, we're gonna go a long way kunos mucha nang.
For sure, I agree. I think that those type of initiatives
stuff.
are super necessary because some kids like, and that's why I've always said I felt like APB is such a great school because everything you have to do versus you have to learn. If you give me a text, I can't follow
Praktijk,
it.
no?
Show me pictures, I'll set up something
Praktijk.
in point blank period for you.
Mi te na last na openbare avondleergangen, kuta een tweede kans educatie, pa moet je nang di 17 anja bij Arriba. Dus het eigenlijk educatie.
Nice.
Pa doon moet je nang ku no alogra kaba un MBO of kaba school, pa un chance pa ng porto kaya diploma pa so sin diploma na pa bon trabaho, right? Anto mi last anta, hopi Holandes na hopi struck din ilas ng aki. Dus amita translate constant, entre otro, mit yung super awesome directeur, di kumi Josie, whatever it takes, moet je dan krijgen een diploma. So, amin proefwerk nang nota is schriftelijke proefwerk. Oké, nou, zo trate stof aki, kutong dienstverlening, service. Kung kubota hij eigenlijk dagelijks principe no zijn materia en vanzelfsprekend. Turmi toets dan te letterlijk een play. Oké, if video te saki, oké, me kebo explica bo collega, doe yung instruction di kompa, I don't know, hasi coffee. Pero hasi real, no? It has to be a day-to-day thing.
Yeah, not write it down. Like, show me like an exact situation. What would you do in this situation?
Yeah.
And give mixed up scenarios. Give me real life, like this can actually happen. You can actually get a Karen to walk in and she'll say you insulted her and you did all of this. How are you going to react to that? Like in real life, how really are you going to react to that?
Pero once ko po kasi interactivo, innovativo.
For sure.
But a trigger, a creativity di estudiante din ikaso akin, I pay attention.
Role playing.
And I'm so happy, I have to say, mi mucho na tabay gradua. Mita magkumisa ko di 3 cohort, miti un class ko nota faya un dia, paso may class ta
I love that.
Anto, pero
Make it fun.
Pero é mais grade turco está que botawak bo estudiante evolve, no? Nanta começar de certo demeanor, mindset, anto wo kumita conversar com acabe high diploma, ta like going for it, bayendo pa MBO 2A. Bo stop na MBO 1, no? Pero anta bayendo pa MBO 2A, paso nang kihas MBO 4 ng aspirations inang kunang kier hasi a cambia de transition di 20 luna di school. I love it. So na hay un chance, no? Patanang mes itok evolve.
To me, I feel like that's one of the biggest issues I've seen on this island is how much confidence kids lack here. I do a lot of schoolwork and I really realize it. A lot of people are very insecure. Yeah, no, but it starts from, I feel like that younger age, like they already think are like this.
Family. Like if you have like friends who are like, for example, like, hey, I'm gonna go do this, and you guys like, bro, he sabu guy. Like, why you gotta? Okay, maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should. You know what I mean? Like,
I
those
get
kind
it.
of circles.
You know what? And you know what I think it stems from? I think it really stems from parents. Because I've realized this with, like, I just had a conversation with Chrissy Beemans.
Yeah.
And she was saying how from a young age, her mom would always instill to her, like, how beautiful she is and how intelligent she is and how much she should get an education. Mm-hmm. And those were her drives. Like, in life, those were her drives. So, and can you imagine, especially like this is why I feel like also fathers are so important in like kids' lives is because if your dad is telling you how pretty you are and how much you're worth and all your value and all this, any other guy that comes up to you after that is like, boy, you gotta come better than this.
Exactly.
Like, my father tells me how great I am. Who are you?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Versus if he's not in the picture at all, who's actually telling you this? You're looking for validation now from these bummy boys on the streets to tell you how good you look.
Yeah.
And it's all of that really stems from a young age. So it's really up to parents whenever you do make the decision to go along with having a child. I feel like it really needs to stem from parents to really push their kids into, if your kid is a creative, you should push and instill that. If your kid is a study mania, then you should push and go crazy on that.
What they like.
But let it be up to them and push it.
Motivate, no? Se llama conscious parenting. And it's the most amazing thing ever.
It's crazy.
Ami sempre bisa sa que bisam ko suficientemente biya para mi querer mi verdade. Sei que me si
Right?
Si bota bisa bo you, ami ta bibe ko ki bibo. Mi omo sempre bisam, mi ta kore ko si klakla com spreekbeurt. Mi omo sempre by all out com spreekbeurt. Like all out. Eta ajuda mi hobby bom com school. Anto, mas as spreekbeurt die Tweede Wereldoorlog. Maar kita pegana parti anto. Anyways, ding is que mi digo mi no por. E digo mi tende. Joasy-Ann. Joasy-Ann da maneira criolla, no? E di come tende, não tem nada no mundo aqui que abo no por hasi. Como não põe mente e coração na je. E coisa não me tá ancre, maneira mantra, Bible, passou, e sei me tá cana conectar, ora me pensa como no por. E me tá pensando eu mesmo, e tende, não tem nada como no por hasi.
It goes a long way.
It goes for school, eta vai para swimming, e maneira tá bisa, não se bo instill enorme e valor ng com positivity. Um tiki mais paciência, um tiki mais amor, nós muito não tabe crescer, um tiki mais mimo.
Unstoppable.
Like for real, ami tenho muito hammer in class, mi eerste groep kuma haya. So mi hasi sharing circle, so I want to get to know them on a different level. So nampo share anything they want, and to mi tayo nango solutions if it's necessary. And to mi diki muito hammer aki menciona algo ko boto proud DJ, e di ko mi ami no por. Mi di combo que men. Diki ko boto abo me está proud de bom mes pa algo, di eu frau não tem nada com me porta proud DJ. Hindi, how you mean? Ami po bisabo 3 coisas que seguro me tawa ko não comito proud dibo DJ. Ami na kas nunca não bisame sei. Dus ela cresce que narrative ko ina ata pata proud DJ.
Of course.
So kibo te hase bota vai actua e narrative no? É muito hammer que me digo niyo ami ta proud dibo, paso bota traha full dia di 7 ori mainta pa 5 di tarde carga. Iwabo na school awe 6 ori.
Exactly.
6 ori pa something to be proud of.
For sure.
É muito hammer que excelled in class, ela vai estágio. Dentro do estágio, ela get offered a job.
Love that.
Oh my God! De uma oficina, não me se carga nunca mais na sua vida.
Let's go.
How amazing is that? Ela vai estágio como dienstverlening, ela end up em administratie, because he's very good with math. Na awa potensial, na offer sa trabaho pong proyekto, ela queda awaiting sa departamento de purchasing.
Crazy.
Oh my God.
Crazy.
Anto, no me secado em calor, ete um carga, eta kana gente nechi bistica, pela, camisa.
Guy
See, a
oficina.
little bit of education gets you a long way.
Crazy.
Full.
And some
a little bit
confidence.
education. Exactly. If we put that, then it takes a village to raise a child.
It does.
Abo como omo, como tia, mami, papi, e docente na escola, nos pohinka, influx junto e positivity na nos pucharang. Oh my God.
For sure.
Nantabay logra anything and everything they want.
For sure. I'm sorry.
No, was that you?
I don't know.
I felt like I almost tripped, but while sitting down. Joyce, we're coming to an end now then. What?
Oh,
Time
so
flies.
fast.
What? I know. Time.
See? We
Let
told you
me
it
nervous
just go.
na. Basta
Obvious-
sige 5 pregunta.
We said it goes
I'm
real
ready.
quick.
We can go and then Shark's gonna blame me that he's late for work, huh?
Oh my God, ito yung show.
Sorry. No, but Joyce, I want to say thank you for coming on the show.
No, Danki na boso. Patas na kind kumi.
No. We just wanted to get to, honestly, I get the mas pa kung sa bunting mas mo, keep with the hasi, keep with the passionate about, but hand on sack, basically who they're voting for, because
Okay.
hope you not escucha the whole political facts, and you're just like, okay, what are you
And
passionate
you already did that
about?
on the radio and all these other places already. So
Yeah.
they get to see that side. Here you get to show a different side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So real quick, sorry, camera.
Oh my God, mas funny.
No, do not know. Bisami di kung o bisahin na di kung why should they vote for Josie?
Why they should
Joasy-Ann.
vote pa Joasy-Ann? Pagkiko voto pa Joasy-Ann, well, may taong hende ko na manta mi mesta mi palavra, e may ta querer ser comprobar, acaba com os dois anya din sector social. Uno, viu muito ng limitação física, to seguro que sempre a drive me. Entre outro, projeto de swim therapy, completamente grátis, para muito ng limitação. Setup, Creative Kids Club, to seguro highlight. Que a logra já acaba desde 2020 e nós está still up and running. E Backs for School campaign, que tour, mas que trecho muito da hayat as escola na tour anya. E mita quere e logro de mini community de Orange Economy, tama ito unja ko ng kumi. Sempre kaya hasi, happens to be nos haya collective super awesome, anto yung kinanang ta. And you keeping the promise in and out the whichever fundasyon of gobyerno kulo porta. Ito unja motibo ng kulo mi kere bo mesi foto pa mi.
Awesome. Well, guys, hope you enjoy episode aqui. Kora subscribe. Kora check out otros shows na manera voto pa quem e também Face the Future de Modo. Links are in the description for everything. And once again, Josie, thanks for coming.
Oh my God, Danki na boso.
Oh, our pleasure.
Guys, kora subscribe, leave a comment, and stop back o simang of aqui 2 dias, mas aqui.
At this point, we don't know. We'll see y'all.
Sa
again.
depois tu jamaras e tu jaweb sa because there's a lot of politics. So, anyway, see you next time. Bye.
Ow.
Adios.